Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple from the long side in my retirement accounts, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Well, Apple just continues to be an absolute beast. I mean, you look at the trend right there, and you can see it keeps grinding higher and higher and higher. But the one thing that I'm very curious about, and let me move this out of the way, is this pattern here that's formed, which is, a rising wedge, maybe a poor man's rising wedge, but it's one of these situations where a rising wedge is actually a bearish pattern. You would think it would be a bullish pattern, but actually a rising wedge is bearish. And to me, it's a question of, and I get it, technically speaking, if you look very closely, well, then yes, the price is actually broken to the upside of it. But I'm just wondering, is this actually a true break, or is this one of these faulty breaks where the price is ultimately going to roll back over? Because you do have this bearish pattern that's formed. Once again, when I say roll back over and pull back, I don't mean go back down to $350. I just mean if you are looking for maybe a better entry point from a bigger picture perspective, me personally, I mean, buying right now seems a little bit sketchy given the pattern, given the circumstances. And then again, I could be wrong. Maybe this is the start of a new pattern. I hope I'm wrong, actually. I own Apple in my retirement accounts, so I hope this thing just continues to grind to the upside. But I wouldn't be shocked to see this thing ultimately roll back over because of that rising wedge pattern that's formed. So I wanted to just get that in place so you could see what the backbone of why I'm thinking Apple might want to at least pull back here a little bit. So if there are any sort of pullbacks, the main areas of support now to watch moving forward going to be right here initially at this previous breakout point at the 470 mark. And then if you're a little bit more aggressive in thinking that there could be a deeper pullback, that deeper pullback would be the previous breakout areas down here right around 464. So in my opinion, those are going to be the main areas of support to watch going forward. But yeah, overall, with that rising wedge pattern, got the breakout, but wouldn't be shocking to see that be a fake break. But we'll see how this one closes out the week on on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.